Okay, so our next question is asking us to explain, I guess, PEMDAS rule in math. In school, I learned BEDMAS, so I'll write it in both ways. This is question 3. So we can either have PEMDAS or BEDMAS, and I'll just explain what this means. So the P or B stands for parentheses. I can't even spell it. Oops. Parentheses. Or the B stands for brackets. E for exponential. D for division. M for multiplication. A for addition. And S for subtraction. So the order that the letters appear in the words tells you the order of operations. Order of operations. So that means when you come across a multiplication, or I guess I should clarify, not specifically multiplication. If you come across any type of math question, you need to know which order you perform these different operations on the equation, okay? So yeah, the multiplication, division, and the addition and subtraction, these can be interchangeable with each other, so you can do them in whichever order they appear first. So I'm going to say that the order doesn't matter for these two. So that means if you have multiplication before division or division before multiplication, it doesn't really matter. And the same thing goes for addition and subtraction. So order doesn't matter. However, for example, if you come across an exponent, you want to do that operation before you add or subtract, let's say, okay? Let's go through just a quick example so that you can see how this can be applied, okay? So if we have this given to us, plus 12 divided by 4 times 3 minus 4 plus 10. You want to look at which part of this, I guess I'm going to call it equation, you're going to work on first, okay? So because of a rule that says PEMDAS or BEDMAS, we want to work on brackets first. So that means we have to work on everything that's inside the brackets before we touch, this 36 or the 10, for example. We're going to start inside the brackets. Next, going from left to right, because that's, how we normally read it, we have 20 plus 12 divided by 4. Well, we see up here that division comes before addition, right? So that means we're going to work on the 12 divided by 4 before we do the addition. So we'll go through this. 36 minus 2 times 20 plus, well, we have 12 divided by 4. So I'm going to do that first. That's 3 times 3 minus 4 plus 10. So the only thing I did here was the 12 divided by 4. Next, we see that we have multiplication. Once again, multiplication comes before addition. and comes before subtraction, so we're going to do that step next. 36 minus 2 is 20 plus 3 times 3 is 9 minus 4 plus 10. Okay, so next we see, since we're still working inside the brackets, because that's top priority here, we're going to do the addition and subtraction inside the brackets. Like I said before, I keep scrolling back and forth, but addition and subtraction, the order doesn't matter, so that means that I can add 20 plus 9 and subtract 4. All at the same time. I can do 20 minus 4 plus 9. Either way, it will come out as the same. So 36 minus 2, we have 20 plus 9, that's 29, minus 4 is 25, plus 10. Okay, so now we are at this point, and we see that we have subtraction, addition, and multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, we're going to do 2 times 25 first. So we have 36 minus 50 plus 10 is the 2 times 25. And because we have subtraction and addition, once again, order does not matter. So we are going to do this all in one step. And then we'll get the final answer of minus 4. Okay? So that is how you work through an equation using BEDMAS or PEDMAS. I'll go through the solution on this side. And using the same example, they get the same answer. So, good work. The solution is correct.